Welcome to school 2.
What your husband do? I don't like him at all. Your husband, you know they use eye they see woman. Oh, how man go marry 5 women like this? You go they find, they pursue everything, I don't tell you, I say I don't say I like you.
Yesterday, I did look your face. Come on, you won't
man, how can I help you?
That
Tall guy. Which tall guy? There are plenty of people they come here, madam. We don't know. What they use Lexus?
Yes.
Tall, dark.
Guy, chocolate color.
Chocolate, okay, that's my customer.
Yes.
No, you never come today. Now my shaman, madam, you don't remind me wait I forget to. That my guy they carry. That my guy is the carrier.
Wow.
Nobody will know now for this hotel.
He's my very good friend.
Yes. If you like say now you the one carry today, madam. No kill my friend. You know, no, you never call today. I suppose even call a man, no.
I bet me call her.
Man, collect my phone. Now they come. Madam, I am the call.
Me call her.
Now my guy, you.
Really?
Never say anything. Hello, guy.
Hello, how you say, my friend?
Oga dey na me na receptionist.
Who be that? Okay, receptionist.
Na me.
What kind of usual place, abi?
Usual place. Oga say make I know whether you dey call today na that girl wey you carry yesterday. Oga you try you. That money wey you find me yesterday don finish. Abeg do quick call today o.
Don't worry, They even call with confirm package. Another one wey people be so obsessed. This one go like am, This one now, factory fitted, they carry call.
You mean Oga, you dey enjoy. I go be like you when I grow up.
Don't worry, I dey come.
I don prepare your room. I dey wait.
Prepare am,
Correct.
make it work.
Alright. Oga, too late. I don't tell you. Oga. How big men they enjoy you? Every day. So. Wow, big men they enjoy you.
What? I hear me, by me.
How did you get this here?
Everyday traffic.
Hey,
So it's you. And who is this? So it's you.
Mama, leave the poor girl alone. Hey, Mama, leave the poor girl. Leave the poor girl alone. Hey, Mama. Yeah.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. School 2.